Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the App Store and tapping your profile icon at the top right. Once done, check the Apple ID displayed so you cancel the right account. Make sure to switch accounts if this is a shared device. You do this because subscriptions are tied to the Apple ID, not the device. If you don't see a profile icon, sign in with the correct Apple ID. Now move to the next menu item labeled Subscriptions to view active plans. Now tap Subscriptions to reveal both active and expired plans. This is where billing cycles and renewal dates live. You should scan the list and locate the exact subscription by name, developer, or price. Don't guess. Once located, tap the subscription name to open details where you'll see renewal information and any trial end dates. Make sure you're viewing the correct plan because multi-tier subscriptions can look similar. When you see the Cancel option, you're ready to proceed. Tap Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts to confirm. You'll often be asked once more to make sure you want to stop auto-renewal. After confirming, note the subscription end date. You typically retain access until that date, so you won't lose paid time immediately. If the Cancel option is missing, check whether the subscription is billed through a third party, family sharing, or a different Apple ID. Those situations require contacting the provider or Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.